We're here at Tazara train station in Dar es Salaam in Tanzania, and we're just about to get on board the train that will take us to Zambia. We're getting the express train, which goes on Tuesdays, which takes supposedly 46 hours, but we'll see how long it does take. And we've gone first class, which is very exciting. We don't know what that means yet, but the route itself is meant to be very beautiful, going through national parks, past mountains, in tunnels, so we're looking really forward to that. So we'll see you on the other side.
We're in our cabin and accommodation for the next 2 to 3 days. Yes. It's pretty cool. We've got all the mod cons. Beds, second bed, table there, I think. Lights.
Well, the engine's not on.
The lights might not work. There's a plug down here, but the most amazing thing will be the view, hopefully. And we're off.
Safe. I could just jump on the train if I wanted to. See that?
Journey's just begun. We've got about two days, 2 nights on here at least. We're supposed to go through some national parks, so hopefully we'll see some animals as well as some just amazing landscapes. But I'm very excited. It's wicked.
Delicious breakfast.
Got tea as well. How's the breakfast, Jack?
Not bad. We're playing poker on the train, and we haven't got poker chips, so we're using matchsticks, which is just as good, and I am winning. When we read about this train, we read somewhere that you have to bring all your own food and water. So we bought lots of crisps and drinks and things like that, but it turns out that's not true at all. We've had breakfast, lunch, dinner, excuse me, and that's very tasty. Chicken, beef, fish, breakfast with sausages and eggs. It's just really good, and a nice view as you're eating.
We are 24 hours into our hopefully 48-hour long journey. I'm feeling pretty fresh. I had a good night's sleep. The rocking is kind of quite therapeutic, but Jack's not feeling very well. A bit of motion sickness, hasn't really slept at all. Such a bastard. Yeah, good. I like my bunk.
We've reached the Zambian border where the immigration came onto the train and have issued us with our visas, and now we're waiting for indefinite time until we get going again. So we're now in Serenji in Zambia.
We've been on the train for 49 hours now, which sounds a lot because it is a lot, but it hasn't felt that bad. We should have got into Kapari and Poshi about now, but I reckon it's about another 5 hours away. And then once we get there, we've got to get a bus to Lusaka, the capital, and we don't know how long that takes, but it's about we've heard anywhere from 200 to 350 kilometres. It's quite a range.
How does the distance change?
I'm not sure. But yeah, I think we've enjoyed it so far. Well, I have. It's been great. Yeah.
Good. Bit dirty though. There's a lot of dirt in the air as we drive past. It's all over you. This is the first time I've ever put to test my 48-hour deodorant.
And it hasn't worked.
It hasn't worked.
We're getting a 2-hour bus from wherever we are to wherever we're going, and it's about £3, I think. So we've had to swap once already after about 5 minutes, and we don't know why. Apparently it took 2 hours to get to Lusaka, where we're going. Yeah? We'll see. We don't have got accommodation sorted yet either. We don't know where we're staying.
Because he has big legs.
Like we're on a train. We are on a train.